I wanted to do a quick walk around of my 2024 Polaris Sportsman 570. I've had it for a little over a month now, and I installed a light bar in the front and a seat in the rear. I use a JBL Flip 6 for my audio, and even though it's behind me, I can still hear it up to around 40 miles per hour. The light bar in the front, don't mind how it's mounted. This front storage here is a decent size, and it keeps my jacket, my toe strap, and my jump box all dry. Back here I usually keep my water bottles for easy access. Alright, so I did the first oil change at 25 hours, and I came from a Suzuki Ozark 250, so this is a big step up. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you want to see this out in action.